everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, Everglow's Pirate MV reaction is here finally. I know it's really delayed, but yeah, I kept it like on my bookmarks and then just never got it around it sooner. But here I am later, and firstly, congratulations to Everglow for their comeback. And I think first really impressed me, which was their last comeback. I loved it, and I'm expecting a similar kind of banger, like with choreography and stunning visuals from this MV also. So yes, let's check out Pirate. Very excited. Even though I don't know the member names except one, the tall one, but still, they're a nice group. They're a nice group. They have good vocals. Chalo, let's watch Pirate. Oh. I thought Pirate is going to be okay. I didn't expect like the club sort of vibe. Is it a club party song? Oh, the pirate thing. Oh my god! This is so like a club jam. Okay. Let me just start again. Wait. I was not expecting a sort of dancey, like I was expecting a dancey vibe, but literally not like the club vibe. Okay. Oh. I start a voyage. Okay. Oh, I love the black outfit. She's so stunning, man. Oh, vocals. Oh. Cause I'm a pirate, a pirate, a pirate, Now let me introduce myself. You know what I was thinking? That because the song is called Pirate, the visuals are gonna be like related to the sea and ship and all. This is the like completely like a little, it has like a space sort of theme, right? Like if you see, this is like a spaceship. It's not like a ship, it's a spaceship with the bikes and all, and then you see the background, the terrain and all of that. Oh, this is quite different. I was not expecting this, and like the song is very club vibe. Though honestly, if I tell you, this is not the kind of song that I would really repeatedly listen to. Like, it's not because it's fast. It's just this clubby vibe. I would listen to this on a party. If this is playing in a club, then I would listen to it. But like their song, like first is the kind of song, even La Di Da. I love La Di Da. That's really the kind, even though it's such a fast song, I would still not say it's like a club song. But this completely gives me that vibe. So I wouldn't really, repeatedly listen to it like how much I listen to a song like La Di Da or First. But the visuals are stunning. Complete like futuristic. Yeah, this is something I listen to in a club, not on my downtime. I think the black outfits are my favorite. It's like the flag on a spaceship. It's literally like futuristic pirates, huh? See, Dance Tonight. This is like a dancey song. Oh, look at the hair color. Just look at the hair colors. Whoa. Okay, stylist needs a raise over here. Like, really, the styling is great. I'm a pirate, yeah, yeah, a pirate, yeah, yeah, a pirate, yeah, yeah. Now let me introduce myself. Yeah, let me introduce myself. These black outfits and the space theme, space background, yeah, these ones. These are my favorite. Whew. What is this? Oh, acha, Everglow. Whoa. Not bad, not bad. What an energetic song, man. I just want to go to like couple of the visuals. The MV looks stunning. The MV looks stunning. These outfits are also nice. These ones, these black ones, but I think I like the outfits which they are wearing in this backdrop, the space backdrop. These are also good, but I like not my favorite from this MV. Like the outfits which, oh my god, like wallpaper. Screenshot this. This is like a wallpaper. My god. What visuals are, like Everglow, all the members are just, they have stunning visuals. They have stunning visuals. I can't move my cursor away from this. Look at her. My god. She's stunning. Yeah, so these outfits, these ones. Yup. These ones. I think I like this. And this backdrop is also, the space backdrop, this is my favorite. Yeah, for sure. For sure. This is okay. Like, I like how it's like well coordinated over here. Though the member who's wearing like the white one, I think I like her styling the best in all of these outfits with the two ponytails, because the hair looks amazing. It looks amazing. Very edgy. The dresses, yeah, they're just okay. Like, I'm not, because it sets the MV a little apart that yeah, they're wearing all these nice edgy outfits, and then you suddenly have this frill kind of dress. But yeah, not really. Like, they could have given some other styling over here. I'm not really a big fan of the dresses. I don't know, somehow it looks very odd when the MV theme is so different and suddenly you have this wedding dress, flowy dress. I don't know, you guys can let me know. It's just my opinion that it feels a little off. But these ones, oh man, so cool. There is this minimalistic feel to it, which I like. Really. It's not too over the top also in terms of the embellishments. It's just simple yet edgy. So these are my favorite ones. About the MV looks stunning. Their vocals are amazing. The song, yes, something that I wouldn't listen to on a regular basis because it's too heavy on the beat. That is something that I like. I don't want to wake up in the morning and just listen to I'm Pirate and just go. No, this is something I'll listen to in a party when I'm completely with my friends jamming. And yeah, that's the so that I need to be in a certain mood to listen to this song. So I wouldn't say that yeah, this is something that I would repeatedly play. So let me know, you guys, forevers. I'm pretty sure. Please don't get offended with the statements. It's just that this is just my own musical preference, but it's nonetheless a very, very energetic, pumpy song. I just need to be in a right mind headspace to enjoy this song, because this is something that, like I said, I wouldn't be driving and listening to this song. That I would not do, for sure, for sure. But if I'm partying with my friends, this is the kind of song I would play. So let me know, forevers, what are your thoughts on this particular comeback. Comeback wise, I think this is a much first would be still my preferred comeback, because that's the kind of song, like that song had so much punch and power. This also has, but a different kind of punch and power, and I'm happy to see the variety that Everglow is bringing. But if I had to choose between this comeback and the previous, because that's comeback to comeback comparison I'm doing, I would go with first. I mean, that just blew my mind away. That is something that I was like, whoa, like, okay, I hear you, I see you girls, you guys are powerful. That's what I felt. Here also I see the power, it's just that it's a different kind of power, not really the one that I vibe to. So yes, that was the reaction. Those were my thoughts on Everglow's Pirate. Wow, I was thinking something completely different और ये तो कुछ और ही निकला. Like seriously, this is completely what, like, I am totally shocked. I'm totally surprised at this song, and because I had a certain thing that okay, the song is called Pirate, it'll sound maybe something like this, and the visuals would be something different related to sea and pirates basically. But okay, no problem. So yes, that was the reaction. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will be signing off from this video now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye. You are the cause of my euphoria.